How to do coding in mobile phone. So this coding studio is all you need to start coding just on your phone. You can simply come in and select the programming language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then you also have Gemini Assistant right here, whereby you can tell it to code directly by simply clicking on generate code, and Gemini will generate the code for you. You can also code yourself or edit any code by simply clearing what has been written already, and you can put in your own coding words just like this. And the good news is that it is totally free and you can use it right on your phone right now. Let me show you how it works and how to get it. So this is Gemini Coding Studio. Okay, it is custom built, and then over here you can simply come in and code right here. So see it just like how VS Code works, whereby you can code yourself and then you can also assist Gemini to code for you just like this. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is that you can code yourself, as I said. Okay, you can simply start coding if you want to work on a project, and then you can simply come and then select the programming language by simply clicking on select language, and you can select any of these. We have HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So let me say that if I want to work with JavaScript, I can check the circle and the option will turn right into script.js, and then I can start typing my codes. Okay, just like this. Okay, so beside you typing the codes manually, you can also use the Gemini Assistant to do the codes for you. Okay, so when you come here, you see that we have Gemini Assistant right here. So you can simply come and then write anything that you want in this box. So let's say I'm going to then ask Gemini Assistant, okay, to let's say, please, I want you to write a code for me about an app that I am trying to build, and then it is water reminder app, and I want you to write the script.js for me, and I'll come and click on generate code. You will see that Gemini is going to write the codes right for me in my coding environment. So as you can see, Gemini has written the code for me, and I have the option to come and then edit it. Okay, I can add anything or edit anything right from my coding environment. Okay, so after that you can come and then click on copy, and then you can copy the codes and then can use it anywhere, and it's completely free. Let me show you how you can get it. So from your phone, all that you have to do is simply come here to the Chrome, you come and then tap on it, and then come here to Google search, and then come and search for Google AI Studio. Okay, and then come and then tap on it to bring you right here, and then come and then tap the official Google AI Studio, which is going to open just like this. That is Google AI Studio. At the top, come and then look at these three bars and then come and tap on it. So when you tap on it, you have the option to come here to where we have the build, and then come and tap on the build. As I said, the tool is custom build. Okay, so you can build anything with Gemini, but it won't work. What you have to do first is to simply come and then tap on these three dots, and then from here, from the options, come and then select desktop site. Okay, by checking this box. And yes, with the desktop site, you'll be able to use the Gemini build option. Okay, whereby over here where we have the chat box, come and then paste in this prompt. Okay, I have pinned this prompt under the video comment section. Look at it, copy everything without adding anything, come and paste it right here, then come and then tap on run prompt. So all that you have to do is simply sit back, relax, and the app is going to be built for you just like this. So as you can see, it has been built, and then all that you have to do is simply come and then click on full screen mode, and that is your app, and then you can start building or creating your codes. After that, come and then click here, and then come back, okay, to where we have the Gemini app. Come and tap on it. Okay, that is the Google Studio app, and then come and click on the three dots again, and come and make sure that you come and then remove it from desktop site. Okay, so when you check it, it's going to go back to the phone mode, and then come and then tap on the three bars again, and from the build, come and then tap on the build, and over here you'll be able to see your apps. Okay, by tapping on your apps, and this is the app that we have just built. That is a Gemini Coding Studio. Come and then tap on it, and that is it. Over here from the preview, you can come and then tap on full screen, and you can start using it to code right now. Okay, so like the video and then see you in my next video.